Watch massive, synchronized cutters instantly strip bark, revealing the perfectly clean, flawless heart of the log. Watch high-speed laser scanners instantly map the log's 3D shape, calculating the perfect cutting solution for maximum yield. Witness incredible power as massive synchronized saws instantly slice the log's first two symmetrical sides with flawless precision. Watch high-speed synchronized saws instantly trim and square rough edges, transforming planks into flawless, uniform lumber. Witness dozens of synchronized saw blades instantly transform large cants into a continuous stream of perfect, identical planks. Watch synchronized blades instantly cut lumber to perfect, optimized length, ensuring a flawless final product. Watch synchronized automation flawlessly place spacers and stack lumber, creating perfect, uniform drying bundles. The rough oak goes in, and the high-speed molder delivers a flawless, perfectly planed surface every single time. Witness a massive blade flawlessly peel a continuous, paper-thin veneer sheet from the spinning log core. Watch high-speed optical scanners instantly detect flaws, triggering a perfect cut to maintain flawless material quality. Witness sheer power instantly shredding large logs into thousands of uniform wood chips, ready for processing. Witness synchronized rollers flawlessly spread thick, uniform adhesive, creating the perfect bond for engineered wood strength. Witness colossal hydraulic power instantly and flawlessly split tough logs into perfect, symmetrical pieces.
Watch high-speed, synchronized blades instantly shave square stock into a continuous, perfectly symmetrical round dowel. Watch high-speed routing instantly carve intricate, interlocking profiles, creating flawless, high-strength wood joints.
Watch automated precision instantly inject and fill wood defects, creating a continuous flow of flawless lumber.
Witness colossal hydraulic pressure flawlessly fusing dozens of lumber strips into one perfect, indestructible structural beam. Witness extreme pressure instantly compacting fine wood fibers, flawlessly forming thousands of perfect, high-density fuel pellets.
Witness controlled heat and vacuum flawlessly remove moisture from the stacks, achieving perfect, uniform material condition. Watch precise automation flawlessly glue and press wood flanges and webs, creating continuous, high-strength structural I-joists.
Watch high-speed CNC routing instantly carve complex, flawless, intricate patterns into the wood surface. Witness synchronized cutter heads instantly carve perfect, complex profiles, creating continuous, flawless architectural molding. Watch colossal heat and pressure instantly fuse wood fibers, creating flawless, high-density structural panels. Watch synchronized cutters instantly shape wood ends, creating flawless mirror image profiles for complex door and window frames. Witness synchronized automation and colossal force instantly press metal plates, creating flawless, high-strength structural trusses. Watch precise rollers flawlessly apply a continuous, uniform coat, creating a perfect, mirror-like finish on the wood panel. Witness the power of a colossal bandsaw flawlessly slice thick timber with absolute straightness and zero waste. Watch high-speed automation instantly fill, compress, and flawlessly seal thousands of uniform bags of wood byproduct. Watch dozens of synchronized drills instantly bore a complex, flawless, geometric hole pattern in the wood panel. Witness uniform pressure flawlessly bend and laminate thin wood layers, instantly creating perfect, continuous curved components. Watch high-speed, synchronized cutter heads instantly mill perfect, interlocking profiles for flawless hardwood flooring.
Witness high-speed rotary cutters instantly shape and carve a perfect, flawless, symmetrical point onto every post.
Watch high-speed lasers instantly etch complex, flawless, permanent designs with microscopic precision and speed.
Witness high-speed synchronized cutters instantly shape and sand wood edges, creating a flawless, continuous, symmetrical profile.
Watch precise cutters instantly shape wood staves with flawless curves and bevels, ready to form a perfect watertight barrel.
Witness synchronized nozzles flawlessly dispense the perfect, uniform amount of wood glue into every container.
Watch high-speed, synchronized routers instantly carve every picket end into a perfect, flawless, symmetrical decorative top. Witness colossal machinery slowly and flawlessly carve the perfect, deep point onto massive structural timber piles.
Watch high-speed precision instantly mill thin wood strips, creating perfect, complex, flawless profiles for every louver. Witness synchronized automation instantly wrap and strap lumber bundles, creating perfect, robust units for flawless shipping. Witness synchronized material dispensers flawlessly layer wood strands, creating a perfect, uniform mat for structural panels.
Watch precise automation instantly interlock wood fingers, creating a continuous, flawless, high-strength strip of perfect lumber.
Witness synchronized automation flawlessly count and bundle flooring strips, creating perfect, protective retail packages. Watch synchronized automation flawlessly stack and cross-layer veneers, building continuous, high-strength structural plywood panels. Witness dozens of synchronized nail guns instantly secure wood pieces, creating a continuous stream of perfect, high-volume pallets. Watch massive synchronized cutters instantly mill perfect interlocking profiles, creating flawless structural logs ready for assembly. Witness synchronized robotic nozzles flawlessly apply a perfect, uniform protective finish to every surface. Watch high-speed optical scanners instantly grade every piece for color and grain, ensuring flawless quality control. Witness specialized cutters instantly shave wood into a continuous, soft, uniform stream of perfect, airy flakes. Watch high-speed automation instantly weigh and flawlessly seal the exact amount of charcoal briquettes into every bag. Watch automated precision instantly cut out defects and flawlessly insert a perfectly matched wood patch for zero imperfections. Witness colossal, synchronized saws instantly cut massive timber into perfect, uniform, high-strength railroad ties.
Watch high-speed turning instantly carve tiny wood components into perfect, flawless, symmetrical shapes for high-volume production.
Witness synchronized piston fillers flawlessly dispense the perfect, uniform amount of viscous wood putty into every container. Witness the power of a colossal saw instantly and flawlessly trim massive structural timber to its precise final length. Watch high-speed synchronized blades instantly slice a wood block into hundreds of flawless, identical matchsticks.
Witness robotic precision flawlessly grip and stack bags of wood fuel, creating perfect, high-volume, symmetrical pallets. Witness powerful drilling instantly bore large, flawless, perfectly aligned holes through massive structural timber beams.
Watch powerful, synchronized blades instantly split perfect, uniform, thin roofing shingles from the raw wood block. Witness high-speed augers flawlessly dispense the perfect, uniform weight of fine wood powder into every bag. Watch synchronized automation instantly bore holes, inject glue, and drive dowels, creating a flawless, high-strength joint. Watch high-speed precision instantly cut and point continuous wood rods, creating thousands of flawless skewers. Witness high-speed 3D scanning instantly verify every dimension, ensuring flawless profile and zero structural error. Witness colossal automated gantry systems flawlessly lift and place massive, symmetrical stacks of finished lumber.
From raw material to finished perfection, the flawless, synchronized power of incredible woodcutting machines.